Good morning, students. Continuing from the chapter Lines and Angles, this is the 7th video on this chapter. So today I am going to explain exercise 10b from your book. Okay. So look at the first question. What it says? It says that find each one of the lettered angles given regions. So you have to tell the answer also with reason. So why this answer is there? And type 1 is given on alternate angles. Okay, I already told what is alternate angles. Again I am explaining what is alternate angles. If two lines are there, parallel lines, and one line crosses to these parallel lines, means it is a transversal line. So alternate angles means just opposite of the transversal line and it is inside, that is called alternate. So here A and 70 are alternate angles. So this should be equal. So A value should be 70 degree. So A value should be 70 degree. Why? In bracket you can write alternate angles. So in bracket, after writing A equal to 70, you can write this region is alternate angles. Alternate angles. Okay. Now look at the second question here. In the second question also, these two are parallel lines and this is the transversal line, this is the transversal line, and what is inside this angle? X and 105 are opposite to the transversal line, and that's why X is equal to 105 degree. X is equal to 105 degree. What is the region? The region is alternate angle. So why it is alternate? Because these are two parallel lines and this is the transversal line, and X and 105 are opposite to this transversal and also inside. That's why X equal to 105 degree. The reason is alternate angles. Now look at question number 3 here. Here what are the lines are there? These are this is one line and this is one line, and here we can see that this is the transversal line. If we extend this line, this is the transversal line. So what is opposite of this transversal? A and 70 are opposite. That means A equal to 70 degree. So A value we got 70 degree. The reason is alternate angles. Also B is equal to 40 degree. B equal to 40 degree. The region also alternate angle, because these are the, if we extended this line, so this will be a transversal line and B is opposite to 40. That means B is equal to 40 and this is the transversal line. Opposite of this is 40 and B. So B equal to 40. The reason is alternate angles. Now look at this diagram. Here this is a line segment and this is also line. So here this is considered as a transversal line. The middle was a transversal line. So here X and 25 are opposite to each other of the transversal line. So X you got here 25 degree. The reason is alternate angle. Also here Y value will be 35 degree, because Y and this angle opposite to this transversal line, so Y equal to 35 degree. The region also same, that is alternate angle, because if we extended this line, this will be a transversal line and these are the two parallel lines. So whenever two lines crosses one transversal line and this is opposite to each other and these are equal, also called this is alternate angles. Now look at the second question. What it says? Type 2 on corresponding angles. See, it already mentioned in the question that this question is based on corresponding angles. So no doubt all the angles are corresponding to each other. So what is corresponding angles? Again I am explaining you. If two lines are the parallel lines and one line crosses, that is a transversal line. If one transversal line crosses two parallel lines, then the angles of the same side of the transversal line. So here A and 120 degree are the same side of the transversal line. So A equal to 120 degree. So what is the reason? The reason is corresponding angles. Okay, the reason is, in bracket you can write corresponding angle. Corresponding angles. Okay, now look at the figure 2. In figure 2, this is the figure 2. So these are two parallel lines and this is the transversal line. So what angles are same of the transversal line? That is x and 130. We have to find out the x value. X and 130 are the same side of the transversal line. So x equal to 130. So x equal to 130 degree. And what is the reason? The reason you can write same, that is corresponding angles. Okay. Now look at question this figure 3. In the figure 3, what are the parallel lines? So here, if you extend this line and if you extend this line, these are parallel lines, and here these are transversal line. Okay. Otherwise, if you consider this was a transversal line, then these are the two lines. These are the two lines processed through, and this transversal line processed through these two parallel lines. So A angle and 60 angles. So these are the same side of the transversal line. If it is a transversal line, if you consider this as a transversal line and these two lines are processed to the transversal line, so the 60 degree and A both are in the same side of the transversal. So you consider A equal to 60. The reason is same corresponding angles. Okay, again I am explaining. If we consider this as a transversal line and these are the two parallel lines, and here A and 60 are the same side of the transversal, so A equal to 60 degree. In bracket you can write corresponding angles. Now look at figure 4. Here, what are the transversal line here? So here we see that this line and this line are parallel lines. If you extend this line and this line parallel line. So if you consider this as a transversal, this line as a transversal, okay, then x and 60 are of the same side of the transversal. If it is a transversal line, this line is a transversal line, these are the same side, that is x equal to how much? 60 degree, because x and 60 are of the same side of the transversal. So reason is corresponding angles. Now look at here, y equal to 50 degree. Why? So y and 50 are the same side of the transversal. So which is transversal? This line is considered as a transversal line, because these are the two parallel lines, and if you consider this as a transversal line, then y equal to 50. The reason is corresponding angles. I hope you understand this first question. Okay, now students, we are going to discuss question number 3. It says that on interior angles on the same side of transversal, or it is also called co-interior angles. So based on this concept, we have to solve question number 3. Look at the first diagram. Here it is given, these are the parallel lines and this is the transversal line. So A plus this angle will be same, okay, because co-interior angles means the same side of the transversal and inside the parallel lines, that equal to sum is 180 degrees. So here A plus this angle equal to 180 degree, and this is A equal to 120, okay, because A is same as also this is the corresponding angles. So this angle will be 120 degree and 120 degree plus 60 degree, this angle will be 60. So 120 plus 60 will be 180. So this is co-interior angles, these two angles are co-interior, so A value will be 120 degree. If you say the corresponding angles concept, then also A equal to 120 degree, and co-interior also A plus 60 equal to 180 degree, that A is 120 degree, 120 plus 60 is 180 degree. So this is called co-interior angles. Now look at this figure 2. Here this is the parallel lines and this is the transversal line. So here A plus 100 will be 180 degree. So A plus 100 equal to 180 degree. Okay, that means A is how much? A will be 80 degree. So if A is 80 degree, then 80 plus 100 will be 180 degree. So A will be 80 degree. Okay, so A plus 100 equal to 180 degree, because these two are co-interior angles. Now look at figure 3 here. 2A plus 3A, these are co-interior angles. So 2A plus 3A must be 180 degree. 2a plus 3a equal to 180 degree, or 5a equal to 180 degree, or a equal to 180 degree divided by 5, that is 5 3 is 15, here it is 3 3 is 30, 5 6 is 30. So you got a value as 36 degree, and here it is giving 2a. So 2a will be how much? 2a will be 2 into 36, that will be 72 degree. Okay, so we have got this angle 2a as 2a equal to how much? 72 degree. Now what is 3a? 3a means multiplied by 3 here, 3 into 36. So 3 into 36 will be 3 6 18, 8, carry 1, 3 3 9 plus 1, 10. So 108 degree. So 3a will be 108 degree. So we have got 2a equal to 72 degree and 3a is 108 degree. Again we will verify. 2 into 36 is 72, 3 into 36 is 108. Okay, now question number 4. In 4 you see here, this is a slightly complex than other figure, because here these are more angles are there. Okay, and so here these are the parallel lines, that means if this is a parallel line and this is a transversal line, then this will be into co-interior angles. A plus 60 will be 180 degree because of co-interior angles. So a plus 60 will be 180 degree. Okay, then what is a? 60, so 180 minus 60, that is how much? 120. So if a is 120, then 120 plus 60 will be 180 degree. So that means a value we got 120 degree. So a value we got here 120 degree. The reason is co-interior angles. Similarly, in the case of C here, B is there, and B and this angle must be 180 degree because these are the parallel lines. These are two parallel lines, and same side of the parallel lines, this B and 110 are there, that and inside this. So these are co-interior angles. So B plus 110 equal to 180. So how much is B? So B is 70 degree. That means if B is 70, then 70 plus 110 will be 180 degree. So that value means B is 70 degree. B equal to 70 degree. The reason is co-interior angles. I hope you understand all the question discussed today.